by alternative sentencing, there's different ways to look at that. One is avoiding jail. Like a second offense DUI has a 10-day minimum in jail as a penalty, and that is something that in many counties, can be served other ways. And it's not always 10 days. Very often in a lot of counties, it's more than that. It's 30 or 60 days or more. And so alternative sentencing can be doing a residential program. It can be doing the sheriff's work program. It can be, different things, electronic monitoring, the house arrest. It's every situation is different. And in Marin County, that's certainly the case during COVID. They've been more accommodating with not being as strict as they were before COVID with second offenses, and they opened up alternative sentencing a little more. They got a little wider there. The other thing that they have in Marin County, and I had never seen this work until we were able to get a client of mine who had a third and a more recent second that she was on probation for. They have a adult drug court. And I think it was because they needed more people in it, because they're getting government funding for it, they started opening it up to multiple offenders who had DUIs. And typically they're looking for people who are a lower income on that, but it's not definitely the case. It has a lot to do with what insurance you have. And so that is an alternative sentencing. It's a commitment where you would have to, once a week be in court. It's been a Zoom court, and participate in that and do different programs and testings and things like that. But if you are committed to, your sobriety and to getting through the program, and you want to avoid jail, that is definitely something to look into and to have your attorney look into. I would say that anyone with a second or more DUI that is looking for alternative sentencing in Marin County and wants to know what's available, instead of just calling a bunch of lawyers, I would find someone who's located in Marin County, who has an office there, who does mainly or just DUI cases, who's going to know about the different alternative sentencing, about the adult drug court, or may have had clients go through that who have had DUIs. And this would be a more recent thing in 2022. And talk to that person, do a free consultation, and find out about the alternative sentencing choices in Marin County, what hoops you would need to jump through, what steps would need to be taken to qualify for those programs, and get someone who really knows what they're doing to walk you through this, to guide you through this complex legal system. Because most attorneys who do criminal defense work think, DUI, this is something easy. I can just plead my client guilty and be done with it. That's not what a good, qualified, let's just say excellent DUI lawyer is going to do for you. When you get a DUI, and especially when it's a multiple offense, you need to find the best DUI lawyer in Marin County that you can. And, there are very few of us who do mainly DUI work in Marin County. You're welcome to contact me anytime for a consultation.